head is done, you can take out the stick. And then remember that little piece of fabric that was hanging out that we started off with? You just pull that and then you take all of that out of the head, and then you take out a little bit of plastic. When the fabric is out of the head, you can use your knife and kind of smoothen the neck area, because this has to be big enough for the neck dowel, and it's kind of nice if it's if it's even on both sides. So you can use your knife and then afterwards sand this down with the rough sandpaper. When the head is completely finished, painted and all, the neck will be connected to the head by a wire going through the hole there, through the top of the dowel and out again the other side. But I always like to just put a wire through the head, out the other side, so it's easier when you paint it, you can actually hang it up, and I'll show you how to make the hole. You just get your sculpting tool and you make a hole above the ear and see if you can make it centered, and make sure that they're the same height on the other side. You can also take a screwdriver or a sharp nail, but actually the tool actually works. Just press really hard all the way through. Now you get the tin wire and you go through in one side, out the other. It's kind of easy now, but it's a bit more tricky when we also have to go through the hook. For now, wrap them together